day, everyone. This is Ernie Kish with the Kish Cash Fund, and we're looking at a trade of AXL that we had for August 9th. Boy, the markets have been going up and down, and it's been quite an interesting time to be alive and trading in the markets. It's a very interesting time to be alive altogether. But anyway, we enjoy trading AXL, so we do it a lot. We're quite familiar with the stock, so if you're going to trade something, then you might as well trade something that you know. It gives you an edge, so to speak, if you've been watching it for a while, and we have over a couple years for sure. So there was a lot of opportunity in a wonderful volatile market that we experienced today. This morning, of course, everything gapped open. We opened up higher. We opened up here, and I just said, hey, I can short that. That's a possible opportunity, but I don't know. Let's just see what happens. So it goes sideways, and of course we're looking at a 1-minute chart. And then this thing decides to like tank and go sideways here, and I said, well, here's another short possibility here, and it can go down, but I'm thinking it might bottom somewhere. Maybe we'll buy this. Last night when we did our recap of our Monday trade, we said, hey, this thing maybe we'll short this thing, God knows. Well, it gaps open, and it can go higher, but in it did. In this case, though, in the morning it comes down a little bit, and only at about 9:45 it decides, hey, I'm gonna start going up. And so we looked at this with interest and curiosity. So we fumbled a little bit and said, geez, let's, we were looking at it at like 870, I guess, somewhere right in, here's the 870 line. Here we were looking, to try to get in. Gotta know, I'll try to make this a little bit shorter, not get too winded. Let's see, at 9:53, we bought at 876. So that would have been what? Let's see, 9:45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Okay, so at this candle here at 876, so yeah, we bought it at the top of this candle. So we bought it here, and we saw a little bit of this, and we said, geez, I wonder if we, and I said, well, I don't know, I think we might be doing okay. So we get up to this point here, and then we see a little bit of this candle here happening, and a little bit of this. Then we go back up here. We have an indication that perhaps, just perhaps, this thing might be going a little on the upside. It does go up a little bit here, and then at this point we decided to exit the trade. We had 1,000 shares, so we made 5 cents, or $50 minus our commission. We ended up, though, because we were selling on buying on momentum and selling on momentum, there was some change, so we ended up with $45 total on that one, which, had we kept the position, could have turned out to be gosh, a whole lot more. I think somewhere around perhaps $450 or something like that, perhaps. But anyway, we didn't know. Let's take a look at the spider, because we were taking a look at the spider here. We probably, if we held this for a few more seconds, would have caught this one here, and then we would have probably sold it there, because we have not been wanting to be into the the market all that long unless we've got something really solid to go on. This was kind of nice. We're still getting our feet underneath us with a new system of trading, so we're happy to at least be in the green with 45 bucks. Okay, let's take a look at the spider, and that'll explain a little bit of why we exited where we did, because we've been watching the spider quite closely in all of our trades. Hang tight. Okay, we're taking a look at the spider with a little bit of some of the reasoning why we did what we did on our trade with AXL. As we can see here at 9:45, this is the change where things started to do this. I've got a little checkpoint here of this is where we entered our trade with AXL, and even though we're looking at the spider, and this is where we exited or entered our trade with AXL here, and exited our trade with AXL here, looking at the spider chart. We were looking at, of course, things going up for a bit of time. We were in the market at this time for like 7 minutes. It was doing this. A little bit of hesitation right here with this candle here, and that being we didn't know what was going on, and we said, you know, it just might be a safe idea. We had some momentum here. Yeah, we rode this one out a little bit, and we definitely rode this doji out here. When it came to this one here, where we did decide to exit, even though we missed out on, you know, all of this and some money later on in the day. If you're asking anyone to say, geez, what happened in this trade? Did we get out too soon? Did we leave? Well, we definitely did leave some money on the table. But in not trying to dissect the trade too much, let's just say that it was a green trade. It did give us a total of $45. And we did enter and at a point and exit at a point where we had a 5-cent profit. So that is the reality of the situation. Anything beyond that is stuff that I just get confused about. So listen, my email is erniekish@yahoo.com. If you have any ideas about this trade, then go ahead and let me know what you might think. Right now, I'm just looking at it as a trade. I'm glad I made some money. My equity curve in my portfolio right now is going up. I am just a day trader, so that be it. I'm hoping that you're having some great trades out there, and then putting some money back into your portfolio also. All right, God bless. Keep green on your screen, everybody out there, and I'll be trading a little later on, maybe on Friday or something like that. I don't have 25,000 in my account right now, so I'm limited to only 3 trades in a 5-day period. So I got nothing going on until Friday. If there's anybody that wants to invest $25,000 with me, heck, I'll go ahead and put it in my trade account. I won't use your money. I'll just use the 3,200 that I've got that I'm trading with right now, and I'll pay you 6% interest on that. I'll send you a check every month, or you tell me what what might be an equitable arrangement for you. But anyway, yes, I am looking for $25,000 to put into my trade account. If it is your money and not mine, I won't be trading with it. It will just allow me to trade more often, to take advantage of some of the opportunities that I see. a lot of great opportunities are in the market, whether the market's in the crapper that it's in right now, or when it's having some heydays. I'm beginning to see that, and I'm beginning to capitalize on that. So that's the reason why we're putting these trades out. We want people to, first of all, one of the reasons was to, I wanted to trade better. So if I was going to really expose myself and say, this is what I'm doing, then I wasn't, wasn't hiding, wasn't being able to say, oh gosh, I had a really bad trade. I'm gonna hide that one. No, I put everything out there, the good ones, the bad ones, and whatnot, and it looks like we're beginning to trade like a pro. We have over the last 30 days anyway, so time will tell if we keep on continuing like a pro. If anybody out there thinks that we are beginning to trade like a pro and that we will continue to do that, then drop us a line. Again, we're looking for some cash so that we can trade more often. The way we're going right now, it might take us a year, perhaps 2 years to do that, maybe less if we get really lucky. It will be interesting is if you just watch us, just watch us trade and say, my God, that guy is either doing it right, or look at that, he's imploding his account. So, but whatever happens, it will happen. Okay, all right. Again, God bless. Keep green on your screen, guys. Take care now. Have a great trade tomorrow. Bye bye.